In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Mindmap of Notebooklm. Start by opening Notebooklm in your browser and go to the notebook you want to work with. In this example, it is a notebook about feline ecology, but the same process works for any topic. Once the notebook loads, take a moment to orient yourself. You will see your content in the main area and Notebooklm tools around it to help you organize and explore ideas. Next, click on Highlight. Highlighting is important because it tells Notebooklm which parts of your source material are worth turning into structured ideas. After you click Highlight, choose a highlight style. Select Good Content to mark text that contains useful concepts, definitions, or key facts. As you read, aim to highlight complete thoughts instead of isolated words. This gives the mind map better context and produces cleaner branches. Now move to the mind map controls and click Expand All. This opens up the full structure so you can see every node at once. Expanding the whole map is helpful when you want an overview or when you are checking whether your highlights are being captured in the right places. After reviewing the expanded mind map, click Highlight again if you need to switch back into highlighting mode and capture more supporting details. Then, when you want to reduce visual clutter, click Collapse All. Collapsing the mind map gives you a simplified view, which makes it easier to focus on the biggest themes before diving back into the details. Next, click Add. This is where you can introduce a new idea into the mind map. Use this when a key concept is missing, or when you want to add a custom branch that connects topics in a way that matches your project. Keep your added entry short and specific so it fits neatly into the map. Once you've added your item, click Expand All again to confirm where it appears in the structure and how it connects to the other nodes. Then click Highlight to continue refining your material. Use Highlight again as you move through different parts of the content, and click Highlight once more as needed to reinforce the most important points. The goal is to steadily improve the mind map so it becomes a clear study guide or outline you can trust. That covers everything you need to know.